Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome our online lecture system of Gulfishan Girls High School. Today's subject is English of class 4th, unit number 10. I don't want to. First of all, we read the words meaning habit, आदत, almost, ज़्यादातर, saying a prayer, नमाज पढ़ना, spoilt, बिगड़ना, frown, माथे पर बल डालना, unpleasant, नाखुशगवार, well, कुआं, bucket, बाल्टी, ऑफन अक्सर, विदाउट बगैर, ग्रीटिंग मुबारकबाद देना, पाउट मुँह फुलाना, इनफ काफ़ी, क्योर अजीब, नियर बाई करीब ही, बिकवंड इशारे से बुलाना, ड्यू अप निकालना, रेदर किसी हद तक, हॉरिड बदतमीज़ में भी हो सकता है, पाथ रास्ता, रिमेंबर्ड याद रखना, फॉर्क लोग, मेट मिलना, इंडीड फिल हकीकत, ऑफंड खफगी, स्पेंड खर्च करना, टंग जुबान, टायरसम ताव दिलाने वाला या तैशंगेज, क्रॉस नाराज, टैप दस्तक, नाइस अच्छा उम्दा, स्पीक बोलना, रूड बदतमीज़, वार्म आगाह करना, टाइड थका हुआ, ऑफ कोर्स बिलाशुबा, प्लीजेंट खुशगवार, फॉर अ चेंज तब्दीली के, फ्राइट एंड खौफजदा, फेरी परी, रेन ऑफ भाग उठना, सरप्राइज्ड हैरान, टोल्ड बताया, अपसेट परेशान, स्टेयर घूरना, वंस अगेन एक दफ़ा फिर, समटाइम्स कभी कभार, क्राइंग रोना, गेटिंग ऑन चलना, प्रॉपरली ठीक तरह, बार्गेन सौदा, राइट दुरुस्त, स्पेल जादू या मंत्र. Now we read the question answer. Learn to read part 1. How did Fanny become a spoiled child? She had been ill quite a lot, and because her mother felt sorry for her, she had let Fanny have her way for too much. That's how she became a spoiled child. Question number 2. What bad habit had she picked up? Did people like the way she behaved? Whenever someone asked her to do something, she said, I don't want to. People did not like the way she behaved. Question number 3. Correct the following incorrect statements. The old woman dash asked Fanny to heap her draw water. He asked लिखा हुआ आपने helping verb यूज़ करनी है और form of verb इसकी correct यूज़ करनी है. तो इसमें आएगा did not ask. बी पार्ट है Fanny dash did not help her carry the water in Jinto cottage helped. The old woman dash was not pleasant with Fanny's behavior was pleasant. Question number 4. Did Fanny really want to turn down Jan's invitation? How can you tell? No, Fanny did not really want to turn down Jan's invitation. She was disappointed when she could not say proper words to accept Jan's invitation. I don't want to, said Fanny, and made her mother stare in surprise. Why was her mother surprised? The answer is her mother was surprised because Fanny was refusing to take candies. Question number 6. When the old woman visited Fanny that bargain did she make with her? The answer is she made a bargain that if she could not be spoiled and rude, then she will make her tongue right again. Question number 7. That's the way to talk, said the old woman, and she smiled. Why did she say that? And why did she smile? The answer is because unexpectedly Fanny said thank you instead of I don't want of. Furthermore, she promised not to do spoiled and rude again. This made the old woman smile. After the old woman's visit, it was easy for Fanny to be well behaved. True or false? False. Learn to read part 2. Which do you think was easier for Fanny, picking up the bad habit of saying I don't want to or breaking the habit? Why? I think picking the bad habit of saying I don't want to was easier for Fanny because whenever someone asked Fanny to do something which she did not like, she easily said I don't want to. In spite of her annoying habit of saying I don't want to, Fanny was really a good girl. Do you agree? No, I don't think so. I think she was a rude and spoiled girl. Now fill in the blanks in the sentence below with the correct want expressions from the box. There is an extra expressions. The first one, thanks for the present. It's dash just what I wanted. The second is she dash as quickly as possible once it done. Dash was too upset to the last thing I wanted to do. You can come with us. Dash if you want. It's time you did your homework. I don't want to. Write sentences using the helping word in the brackets and will as shown in the example. Do not play in the rain, you dash catch a cold. The answer is you not play in the rain, you will catch a cold. First one देखें, the sky is very cloudy, it dash this evening, will rain. She needs to sleep well tonight, she will be all right tomorrow. Don't give her the keys, she will lose. You have been studying so hard, you will get good grade. Don't give the baby a toy with sharp edges, she will hurt herself. Here are two friends planning their summer vacations. Complete their conversation with will form of the verb given in the brackets. A है where shall we go this summer? Let's go to Karachi. Oh no, Karachi will be very hot and humid in summer. What about Murray? Good idea. It will be very pleasant there. How much? Dash us any idea, will it? You will call up a travel agent for the fares. That's right. We will book we will book our tickets and hotel accommodation with their help. Learn spelling. Look at this word search. There are 6 words that describe Fanny hidden in it. Find the words and circle them. Hint you will find their words down and 3 across. Disrespectful, annoying, rude, spoiled, horrid, impolite.
Press bell icon, like, comment and share.